Hi, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how to make a scrunchie. This will take less than 30 minutes to make. I decided to change the rubber band, but you can use any band you like. First, make a slip knot. Make a single crochet around until all the band area is covered. Next, close the first row with a slip stitch. Chain 3.
Chain 3.
Make 1 double crochet in the same stitch, V-stitch.
Double crochet in the same stitch.
Make 1 double crochet into the next stitch.
Chain 1, double crochet into the same stitch.
Repeat the same pattern around. I am now at the end of row 2.
First row 2 kita
Close with a slip stitch.
and then
Chain 2.
chain 2. Okay, first
Make 2 double
buat
crochet
satu
into the
crochet
V-stitch.
dalam ruang ni in the same stitch. Okay, so make another one. So make 3 double crochet.
Continue by making 3 double crochet into the next V-stitch.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Continue the same pattern around. Slip stitch.